Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 3. First we draw the number of 1. Now we use black color and draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. Kids, the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Kids, the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw 8. Kids, the number of 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now we draw the number of 10. T-E-N, 10. The next one is 11. And now we draw 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw the number of 14. Kids, the next one is 15. Now we draw the number of 15 and the next one is 16. The next one is 17. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Now we draw 20. The number of 20. Kids, the next one is 21. Now we draw 22. The next one is 23. The next one is 24. Now we draw 25. The next one is 26. Kids, now we draw the last one is 27. Now we draw 27. Today we draw numbers 1 to 27. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.